So, we have a dining room table to build. And this is what we're going to use. This piece of maple here. It's going to be cut right down the middle. Flip each end around. Have a black river down the middle of it. Hopefully it looks cool. Figure it out as we go, I guess. Never built a table like that, so. First step is going to be getting rid of all this bark. Probably not the best idea to use my other chisel as a hammer, but that's what we're doing today, so. There. Now everyone can stop crying. I grabbed the right tool. So this is my ridiculous setup of a router sled. Got the router here. I got a, whatever you want to call that bit right there. This is the sled that I built. Just drill a hole here, drill a hole there, and then cut between. You have a nice opening for the bit to sit in. While you slide this down, you just run the router back and forth and shave off just a little bit of the top of this, just to get a nice flat, even surface. I just built rails on the side, screwed them to this piece of wood, clamped it down. They're both the same height. So, and I just set these up just to help keep debris in. Having this is going to help you a lot with cleanup. So we'll just give it a shot, see what happens here. I also have it propped up on little stakes. You can see here, because it sat down too low. The rails were too high and I didn't want to cut them down again. So, so we'll get the router going and see what happens.